Alright, I just need ammo. Somebody dropping in here.
What you need ammo for?
AR.
Here, I got it.
Thank you.
Target down. And on you, Rick.
I'm chilling.
Woo!
Thank you.
YouTube, what's going on? A couple weeks ago, my boy Kingston Killer got a chance to play with Jack in the Box, and he was kind enough to ask me if I wanted to play as well. So we got some games in with GamerJack, and after we got through gaming, they were kind enough to bless the community with some mystery boxes. So I got one of those boxes here, and we're gonna see what we got. All right. Hey, before I open this thing up, if you can like and subscribe, that would help me out so much, and I'd appreciate that. All right, let's get into it. All right, let's see what we got. Feels kind of heavy. Let's see what we got. Got a card from Jack in the Box. Greetings from GamerJack. It looks like you got one of our super special mystery boxes, which makes you a super special person. Along with all of the great things included in this box, here's a code for $50 Twitch gift card. We are about celebrating rising creators, so we want you to use this to show some love to your favorite up and comers on Twitch. Keep being awesome. Card that we got. So thank you, Jack in the Box. Appreciate the card. Oh man, what is this? This is heavy. What is this? This is like a Jack in the Box light or something like that. Is that what this is? A mobile charger. Got you. Like a mobile power bank. Got you. All right. Okay. All right. We got some Jack in the Box shirts on the back. All right. That's pretty cool. That's dope. All right. Oh, we got the Jack in the Box sweatpants. Okay. Hopefully I can fit them though. I mean, they asked for our sizes, so I'm pretty sure they got my right size then. And then last but not least, we got the Jack in the Box hat. And that's the Jack in the Box mystery box. Man, Jack in the Box, thank you guys so much for sending out that box. I appreciate it. And shout out to my brother Kingston Killer for giving me the opportunity to game with GamerJack. And if you guys could like, subscribe, and share this video, I would greatly appreciate that. Until next time.